Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can start pets blog website. So I have installed Sold.at WordPress theme, and here you can check this is a professional pets and animal blog website. So you don't require any special knowledge to create this type of website, and it will take just few minutes. After that you can get a professional blog website. So you need two things. One is called domain and second is hosting. Domain is basically your website name. Here you can see. So I have done this demo on my subdomain, so this is just for practice, and you can go here for domain and hosting. So Bluehost, this is the most popular hosting company that you can get domain and hosting in low budget. Simply click here, get started. And after that you can select basic package for a single website. The next step is you need to select your domain. Let me add a random domain name, for example pets and animal blog. Then click next. Here you can see domain is available. Then scroll down, you can fill out this form, add your details, and here you can make payment. After getting domain and hosting, next step is to install WordPress in domain. I have got hosting from tezhost.com. So let me go here and log in into my hosting account. Then login button. Here you can see. Okay guys, I am logged in into my hosting account. Then services, and then here you can see this is hosting package. After that the next step is login into cPanel. Here you can see on the left side. Now let me add a new subdomain in the domain section. Then create a new domain. Here I can give a name, enablecryptocoin.com. After that click submit. If you are installing WordPress in your custom domain, then you don't need to complete this step because this is for the subdomain. Now let's go back, scroll down, then click WordPress. You can also go with app installer. Then scroll down, click install now. Then remove WP, and after that select your website or domain. So let me select this one, and after that HTTP. Then here you can add username and password. So this will be to log in into your WordPress website. Then here you can add your email. Then scroll down, here you can select some plugins. Then here you can also add email, then install. And it will take just few seconds. After that WordPress will be installed. Here you can see we got message, congratulations, software was installed successfully. Now we can open this website on the front side. and just we can wait for a few seconds. Then simply click on the link, and here you can see the website on the front side. Now if you want to log in, simply you can use wp-admin, and here you can add password. Alright, now here you can see we are in the WordPress dashboard. The next step is we need to install our WordPress theme here in the theme section. So before installing a premium theme, make sure that you have checked a setting in the cPanel. Here you can see search box. You can search for PHP ini editor. Here you will see all the websites that are available. Let me select one of that, and here you can change these values to the maximum. Let me add from 30 to 60. Then here I can add 3000. Then I can copy and paste here. Same for this. Then apply. And after that, now we can install Soledad WordPress theme. You can get this theme from the theme forest. Here you can search on the Google, then scroll down, and here you can see this is official website for the WordPress and Shopify themes. So you can get this theme and create unlimited websites. And now we need to upload the theme file. You will get a single file, then you need to extract that, then you will get multiple files in that file. Then simply click on install now button. Now theme is installed. Let me activate, and now we need to repeat this process for the child theme. Let me upload child theme file, then install, scroll down and activate. Now the next step is we need to install the required plugins. Let's go back, appearance, then install plugins. Scroll down, and here we can use bulk actions, then select install. Then here I can uncheck some plugins, this one, then click install and apply. It will take just few seconds for the plugin installation and activation. Now we need to reload this page. Then let me go back in the WordPress dashboard. Then scroll down, appearance, then import demo data. Scroll down, here you can see these are multiple websites that you can easily import the demo within a single click. So let me search for pet And here you can see these are the 4 demo websites related to pets and animals. Simply click on import button, and here you can see it is started and it will take just few minutes. Let's wait. Okay guys, demo content is imported. Now let's go on the front side, and if you want to change this logo, then simply you can go in the dashboard, then appearance, and then theme customizer. And after that, click here logo and header, then logo, and here you can change logo image. You can easily upload image file from your laptop. Then if you want to change anything in the menu, for example if you want to remove this one, shop, how you can do that? Simply you can go here appearance, then menu, scroll down, and here you can see these are all the menus. You can select one by one and you can edit any of these. Then scroll down, and here these are all the menu items in the primary menu. So the last one, that is shop. Simply click, then scroll down, and here you can see remove button. If you want to add any item in your menu, how you can do that? Simply you can go on the left side, then add to menu, then save menu. After that, if you want to edit any blog post, just you can open, and after that on the top here you can see edit post. You can change post title, category, images, as well as description for your blog post. Here you can see this is post title, then scroll down and you can edit description. Then for the post category, scroll down and here you can select the category, as well as you can also create a new category. Then click update, and after that on the right side here you can see sidebar. You can install a plugin for this sidebar settings. Scroll down and here you can see classic widgets. You can install this plugin, then activate, then go in the widgets, appearance, then widgets, then scroll down and here you can see main sidebar. You can remove and add anything in your sidebar. Then scroll down and here you can also edit and change social media icons in your WordPress website. So in this way you can easily create animals and pets blog website without any programming skill.